Hey no-code fans, are you using Zapier but way too often getting this? This might be the video for you. This is my 5 tips for fixing errors in Zapier. Check it out. As you see, I'm in Zapier. I'm in one of my apps I created for a recent project, but we are getting the very unwelcome and very annoying validation error, validation failure. First thing I definitely do is go into Zap history. Click into Zap history and see the where the error is, and look into the last error notification. And here, as you can see, you can literally see where the information has come in. It's been a success there, work there. So here, this is obviously the step where the error is happening, and this is the step where we need to fix. So you can edit this step. So that's the first one, Zap history. Find which step is causing the error. When we edit the step, it's this step here, we're going to edit. Now, the first obvious one you can always do, so make sure all the required fields have got information in them, which I think we have for this one. Yep, required there. Yep, so make sure the required fields are completed. Easy step to do. Then, next one is make sure the information is correct. Some areas, if I put this first one's a number, or if I put some text in there, that will bring up an error. So we need to make sure the information we're putting in correlates the information that it expects. But if you can't see any obvious errors, what you can do is simply delete the section, can retest, and it's still failing. It's obviously not that section that's causing the error. And so that's what we need to do next. We need to find out which of these sections you're completing is causing the error. And sometimes it might be one section, sometimes it might be two, so it can take a little bit of time to figure out which one it is. Right, so you just go through, delete every single one. Now, for this use case, I know it's this one here. So I'll go through, retest, test again. Now, brilliant, it sent it through. What's also a good tactic for finding out your errors is you go into the trigger, test trigger, and if you retest, so you send another form in, from wherever you're sending it from, so retest another bit of data, so you load more, just resend it, click load more, and it'll bring through extra bits of data. And what you got to do then is make sure you run that bit of data all the way through your Zap, so you got to retest every bit, retest and review every single section until it gets to the bit where the error is. Then you test again, and that helps you bring through the errors. If you're still really struggling with your errors in Zapier, there is a tool called Postman, and it's a really easy tool to use. I highly recommend you use it. And what it does, it tests your APIs. It tests all your connections, what Zapier works with. If any name is different, if any anomalies there, you'll be able to see it in Postman. And I'll be making another video later about how to use Postman to see all your APIs on your website. So there we go. So point one will be check your Zap history, then check if any missing required fields, check if all your fields have the correct data type in them, delete sections to find out which field is causing the error, and if you still can't figure out why it's causing an error, send new test information into your Zap. All else fails, Postman. And we'll do another video on Postman later on. Right, so hope that's helped. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.nocodedevs. Subscribe below and follow us on Twitter at nocodedevs, and keep on building.